So, man, that went good. Hey, my name's Tyler, TarverAcademy.com. If you could, please subscribe real quick. You done? Did you do it? Did you subscribe, Drew? You subscribe? Okay, cool. You get all the presents. Okay, so now let's work some math, all right? So we've got B and C are on line segment AD. See the line above it? That means it's a segment. Because if they're arrows, it means it'll go forever. If there aren't arrows, it's a segment. So on line segment AD is 25 units, AC is 19 units, BD is 14 units. How long is BC? If we can even find it, am I right? Okay, so pause this, give it a shot, try something, and then we'll work it together. Ready? Go. And welcome back. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, whenever I have something like this and there's a line and they're giving me a bunch of units and length, I'm going to draw that. I'm going to put the measurements on there because it helps me visualize the problem, okay? So let's start at the beginning. B and C are on AD. AD is 25 units. AD is 25 units. So I'm gonna do this little number right here. I'm just gonna say 25 all the way to there, okay? So that whole thing's 25 units. AC is 19 units, so A to C. So I'm gonna go there to there. A to C is 19 units. BD is 14, B to D, so I'm going to do B to D is 14 units. And then how long is BC? So I want to know what here to here is, okay? So first off, I'm thinking, did they give me enough information? Can I figure this out? I'm like, it's kind of like overlapping, but how much? Well, actually, the nice thing is, we can use the measurements they gave us for these segments or this segment to find the other measurement. So here's what's cool. So you've got right here, that's 19. I can use that to find this part of this chunk, the part that it's not a part of. The part that's not a part of this, probably got to be better wording. Okay, so 19 there, but I know the whole thing's 25. So if I'm going 19 this way, how much more do I have to go to get this? The answer? 25 minus 19, how much more does it go? After you get done counting to 19, you count up 6 more, and you're all the way there. All the way there, okay? Now, do I have enough to solve this? Almost. I know that from here to here is 14, right? This little guy right here. From here to here is 14. I can do the same thing I just did. It's like I'm chopping down pieces of this until I'm only left with what I want. And so now, that's 14 if I'm going this way. I've marked out 6 of it. So if I'm going this way, once I get to 6, what's left to get to 14? 14 minus 6 is 8. That's the length of BC. And we found our answer. There's other way. There's other ways you could have done this, like you could have written it out like an equation. I just feel like that adds extra steps. I like to look at the picture, work my way down, boom, got it. 8. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. I deserve to get it, and I'll leave this video up. You can just be like, I was right, you're wrong, Mr. Tarver, certified math teacher. So, if you could subscribe, that'd be great. Tune in for more math and education and fun stuff with me, Tyler, Tarver Academy. Peace.